Wondering what the top Etsy searches are now? We data geeks at eRank are here to help. Let us take the guesswork out of your Etsy SEO and product research. We'll show you the highest ranked keywords for quarter 3, July to September 2024. Then we'll analyse what these tell us about what's selling best on Etsy now. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports. This is just a summary. For more details, or if you prefer to read, please head over to the blog. Here are the top 20 shopper searches July to September 2024. And beware of trademark terms. This report may contain keywords that are trademarked. We love analysing these quarterly lists. It's fun to check on 2024's hottest fads, just a fleeting fancy, or might we spot the start of something like the phenomenon that was mid-century modern? Mainstays, these are the quarter 1 to quarter 2 top Etsy searches that are still ranked high in quarter 3. Here they are with their quarter 3 rank first, followed by their ranks in quarter 2 and quarter 1. Two of these, rings and furniture, rank higher this quarter than they have all year. And of the two mainstays that have fallen, one has been a bit of a shock, so let's pause a moment to pay our respects. Here is Gift, one we never expected to see go. At least Gift has the trend alert banner. It's been popular with shoppers in the past week. But honestly, of all the keywords in the top 20 list, which seemed more secure than a gift? Yet for quarter 3, it ranks down at number 208th. That said, its plural gifts ranks number 41, and there are 40 entries in quarter 3's top 1000 with the word gift or gifts. But in quarter 2, there were 72. Comparing September 2023 to September 2024, gift is down by 98%. Yikes! The other mainstay that's dropped out of the quarterly top 20 is Necklace, but this one didn't fall far. It ranks number 21 now, and it would have made it if it hadn't been for that dark horse, Bruno Mars. We were baffled when this search cropped up in July. Sure, who doesn't love Bruno Mars? But what the heck, right? So we did some digging and learned he'd just commenced a world tour. By August, the debut album that had made Bruno Mars a superstar was back to climbing the pop charts. And in mid-August, Mars and Lady Gaga released a new song, Die With A Smile, as a standalone single. Even so, we remain perplexed. And when you've seen as many country pie charts as we have, you get a feel for the suspicious ones. And when they're coupled with such an exorbitant single-month spike like this, well, let's just say we don't think this is an organic shopper search. Could it be influencer-driven? If so, they did a remarkable job. 3 of quarter 3's top 20 searches are Bruno Mars related. This one ranked 6th, number 9 Bruno Mars shirt, and number 12 Bruno Mars merch. Fascinating as this might be for us data geeks, as Etsy sellers we all need to know this: the click-through rates are as remarkable for how abysmal they are. Calculated for quarter 3, the click-through rate for Bruno Mars is just 8%. For Bruno Mars shirts, it's 12%, and for Bruno Mars merch, it's 3%. Guess this means influencers may lead the proverbial horse to Etsy, but they can't make it drink or buy. These click-through rates tell us in no uncertain terms that there's no purchase intent here. Climbers, these top Etsy searches rose the most in quarter 3. Let's turn from the mainstays and flukes to quarter 3's climbers. These weren't in quarter 2's top 20. There are 6. We've listed them with their quarter 3 rank first, followed by their rank in quarter 2. Ranking first, Halloween, up from number 60. How huge is Halloween on Etsy? Well, quarter 2, April to June, is as far from Halloween as the year gets, yet Halloween still ranked 60th in the quarter 2. And in terms of year-round search volume on Etsy, Halloween beats Christmas. Here's how it's trending right now. And don't be dismayed by seeing Halloween is down year on year. We've been observing that with a number of monthly number 1 searches. We have our theories as to why, but no conclusions. So instead, let's focus on the 101% average click-through rate. When calculated for quarter 3, it's even higher at 103%. Etsy's Halloween shoppers have plenty of purchase intent. Ranking 14th, Dorm. This is a seasonal trend that's way up year on year. In recent years, its annual peak has been in July, and year on year, Dorm was up this July by 350%. This one was pushed on the Etsy homepage, but with that amazing click through rate, Etsy knew what it was doing. Ranking 16th is Poster, that's up from 31st. This one didn't have far to climb. Poster has been a year round top 20 frequent flyer, so if you're researching what to sell on Etsy, Poster sure looks good. All but that eye-wateringly high competition figure, that is. Nearly 3 million listings use this keyword. Ouch! So what's a new or small seller to do? Jan showed us all how to niche down with the keyword tool. And look at the fun things she found. Dog posters. The 12-month average is only 393 searches, but by current search count, 4,510, it ranks fourth from the top, and it's got an average click-through rate of 147%. And compared with the competition for poster or posters, both nearly 3 million, dog posters is high but doable, as are the competition rates of the other two here, movie poster and car poster, and all three have a higher click-through rate than poster and posters. There were other poster-related keywords worth researching here too. The main pitfall to avoid in the poster category is trademarks. That's why we like dog poster, best of these top 5. And competition will drop a lot more if you niche down by dog breed. Hopefully, too, those have better search history. The one drawback with dog poster is, at least for now, it's a single month spike. Speaking of trademarks, let's move on to our next climber. Ranking 18th, Pokemon was up from number 40. Now, I feel old. Initially, I was thinking, no way can we get permission to use a term like Pokemon. Then Jan pointed out that the first Pokemon games were released in 1996. So at 27 years old, vintage sellers could be onto a winner here. Pokemon is another frequent flyer on our top 20 lists, and not just Etsy's. Seems Pokemon pops up on Amazon and eBay too. Ranking 19th, Christmas is up from 426th. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. It has the trending now banner, a fab average click-through rate of 129%. All systems are go. Of course, with the competition nearing 9 million listings, forget about ranking for Christmas. We're just here to get a sense of this year's interest in Christmas shopping on Etsy. That search trend graph shows it's down year on year, same as Halloween. As mentioned, we've been monitoring this issue since December 2022. The search volumes of a number of top keywords have been down year on year. Maybe more shoppers are learning that Christmas is too broad a search to be useful. Ranking 20th, Ring is up from 51st place. True, our final climber, Ring, singular, only ranked 51st last quarter, but remember, Rings, plural, ranked 8th in the quarter 2 and 13th in quarter 1, and it's number 5 now, one of our only 2 mainstays to rank higher this quarter than in either of the others, so rest assured, Rings are popular. In these reports, we'll review keywords as they're entered in search, therefore singular and plurals are considered separately. But when trying to gauge shopper interest, it's best to look at the merged search volume. That's why in the keyword tool, the default is to have the includes near matches option ticked. And at 145%, mad high, Ring has a better average click-through rate than the 124% click-through rate of the two combined. And Ring also beats the 110% average click-through rate for Rings. We checked. In short, heaps of purchase intent here. So don't be discouraged by that competition stat. You'll know how to niche down. Good luck in the hunt. And you know we could go on and on, but we're eager to discover what's trending now on Amazon and eBay. Meanwhile, are you looking for more inspiration for your Etsy shop? Don't forget to check out the blog for the UK, Canada and Australian trend reports as well.